How to link and connect boards on monday.com. That's what we're going to do in today's video. But first, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and let's get started right now. So the first thing to do after opening the Monday dashboard or workspace is go in to beside on the right of the group title and click on the plus button. It's called add column. When you hover over it, click on it, and then go to the bottom and click on more columns. After this, you have to scroll down to the essential section, to the bottom of the essential section. It's at the end on the left. You're gonna find the connect boards column. You're gonna click on add to board right now. So now this is the column which connects this board to another board. So we are gonna now select the board that we want it to be connected to this board. Let's select this board, for example, and click on it. And then click on connect boards on the right. Now you have to choose if you want to visualize the data from your connected boards with the mirror column. This is an option. If you want it, then click on create a mirror column if you want to visualize it. If you don't, you're gonna click on I'll do it later, which we'll choose for now. Let's click here. Now our column on the right is connected to the other board. Let's choose an item to connect it. Let's take on item 2. You're gonna click on the green box on the left. Let's put here item 3 and item 2 also. So here it's linked to 2 items. That's all for today. That's how to connect boards on monday.com. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and also don't forget to write down below any comments or suggestion or question that you have down below in the comment section, and have a nice day.